Hi, my name is Robert. I am a marketing manager and I give Adobe Creative Cloud a 4 out of 5. And for more reviews, click below. So, when I was using Microsoft Office products to handle both the word processing and spreadsheet stuff, but also graphic design, the interfaces are very limited in what you can do unless you're trying to do something as simple as clip art. And that's why I decided to start using Adobe products instead. And the Creative Suite that eventually developed into Creative Cloud has just a much more robust amount of features with InDesign, Photoshop. I've used InCopy before to do some writing and word processing and found myself very satisfied with them. I went with Creative Cloud because Adobe is a premier name in design, software, and applications, and that brand recognition inspires a lot of loyalty. I know that the software is not going to cause any massive concerns with my operating system or my PC, Mac, whatever I'm using. I know that sometimes the processing power required can really take up some of that speed on your machine. However, I have found that it's worth waiting for the load up time to then have access to all the features that make it incredibly easy to manage all manner of, creating pages to be published for print purposes, or my most frequent use has been when creating custom graphics to then put online. It was incredibly straightforward for me as a prior Adobe CS user to start using Cloud. The only real difference, of course, is that you had a much more integrated way to save stuff, share items in the cloud, and then all the support that comes with having the web-based applications and not just the desktop support. And that was really helpful when trying to find, for example, existing templates that made it a heck of a lot easier to start a project, still technically from scratch, but not, where I was required to set up every last piece of the layout and the graphics and logos and typesetting and so forth. I would recommend that you take time to examine your skill sets, make sure that you're comfortable with very robust software. Bear in mind that there are a lot of tutorials, a lot of FAQs out there that'll help you learn if you're still new to using any kind of design applications. But in the many years that I've used Adobe products of all stripe, and even the expert level designers that I've worked with have told me, you're always going to find something new with it. So just prepare yourself for having a lot more to work with than, say, Microsoft Paint.